Steve Moran again with Floodmasters of Colorado. As this next clip will show, taken during one of our classes at our state-of-the-art facility, in most water damages, not all water is found. Water hidden between the sill plate and the walls and the vapor barrier can be found using the state-of-the-art technology Infared.
We're getting, see the yellow color in there? But see, we can actually, this sill plate is wet. This wood, because we know that the water ran underneath here. But in most water losses, that would not be dried out. Because they're going to dry out the carpet and say when it's done, it's done. But the sill plate, where the wood is, or a place for mold to grow, is still going to be wet. Now I know that this one may have wicked back even further. Again, see the blue lines? On the screen, it's got a yellow screen with blue lines. It's taking pictures and storing them. See that line going down? Water travels to the least resistant area. Now normally, we wouldn't worry about any of that, but, and see, even on the concrete, where this water is here, we can find the water wherever it traveled on the concrete floor. So it's a quick visual for the temperature differential, because in evaporation there's cooling going on, so it's evaporating and cooling at the same time. So this sill plate right here is soaking wet. Conventional dry methods, remember we said we put a dehumidifier and an air mover inside that room? We're drying the air really dry. The air's not wet. The sill plate is wet. But the old method is to dry that way. Why? Because if we make the room really dry, that water is going to come out of there eventually.
As you can see, there is moisture trapped between the drywall, the vapor barrier, and the sill plate. But by utilizing our thermal energy system tests and the directed heat drying, we can save those materials. I am Steve Moran, President and CEO of Floodmasters of Colorado.